Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're getting that stubborn brake fault coherence error on your Peugeot and your scanner spits out code P0504, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix this wired brake fault, step by step, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Alright, let's get started. First things first, safety. Before you touch anything, pop the hood and disconnect your battery's negative terminal. You do not want any surprise zaps while working near your car's electronics. Trust me, it's not a fun wake-up call. Now, code 0504 usually points to a problem with your brake light switch, which is that little device right above your brake pedal. It basically tells your car's brain when you're hitting the brakes. When it goes bad or gets knocked out of place, your Peugeot throws a fit, and you get that annoying warning on your dash. Grab a flashlight and slide into your driver's seat. Look up above the brake pedal. You'll see a small switch with a wire connector attached. Gently unplug that connector. Sometimes, the connector just gets loose, so give it a quick inspection for bent pins or corrosion. If it looks crusty, clean it with some electrical contact cleaner. If the connector looks fine, it's time to check the switch itself. The brake light switch is usually held in with a simple twist or a clip. Carefully remove it and give it a little shake. If you hear rattling or it feels sticky, it's probably worn out. You can grab a replacement from your local auto parts store or order one online. Just make sure it matches your exact Peugeot model. Now pop the new switch in place. Make sure it clicks or locks in securely, and reconnect the wire. Before you put everything back together, reconnect your battery and test it out. Step on the brake pedal and see if your brake lights work. If you've got a friend around, ask them to stand behind the car and watch for the lights. If they're on, you nailed it. Hop back in, turn the ignition, and check if that error code is gone. If it's still there, clear the code with your scanner and restart the car. 9 times out of 10, you're good to go. If the error keeps coming back, you might have a wiring issue or a deeper problem with the brake system. At that point, it's best to let a pro take a look. Alright, that's it. Simple as that. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic or just made your day a little easier, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below for more handy, educative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.